Alright, so I think at this point it's a good time to put on the BMS. I threw this thing up on Fast Electric Bike. Had some discussions with people about how many bus bars to use and whatnot, and I doubled everything up. So you guys check that out. Even the linear series chains are doubled. So there's actually the copper's twice as thick. So that should do. I want this thing to be powerful and problem-free. So here we go. See if I can get this camera where it'll sit somewhere and actually work for us here. Alright, so get my solder out. Put a little on the iron. Alright, so I got it plugged into the BMS right now, the BMS wire. The way this works is, since I want the plug to sit here, I'm going to take the rest of these wires, trim them down. So I'm going to run it out and over and to the negative of the pack. And I'm losing my feed. Alright, let's try that again.
Hensley is allergic to dogs, so she bonded with her horse, which she has named Flirty. Flirty sets off a security alarm. The airline required that she sit in the bulkhead. It sure was a tight fit. The hour-and-a-half flight had some minor turbulence, but Flirty handled it like an experienced traveler. Get this.
Alright. Put that on there.
For the first time in history.
Put the sense wire there.
And I just have one question. How come the more advanced America gets, the more it looks like a third world country? No, because in the rest of the world, we do this. We bring animals on the bus all the time. And then Americans judge us. They're like, so filthy. But then Americans stop doing it, and they're like, oh no, you see, that horse is a psychiatrist.
Alright, now for number 2.
And by the way,
get my iron out of the way. Number 2. Find the second wire. And get the rest of them out of the way.
Also, you know who I feel bad for? All the people who are forced to check their carry-on.
So we go there. It's going to come around to the other side. And it's going to connect positive. Because ideally, your sense wires are on the positive. Alright, so aggressive thing that white people do. You know that thing where they say nothing but very expressively? It's like no, everything's fine. Everything's fine. Alright, give it a little tug. Make sure I didn't fall off there. Find number 3. Okay, see number 3. I'm going to come around to the other side of the pack over here. And if you follow the chains through, there's negative 1. Here's number 2, which is actually number 3, but we're going to call it number 2. Now, when I get done here, I'm going to do a little work isolating these wires from the battery pack, because obviously I don't want any of the insulation to wear through and short out if anything wiggles or whatever, you know. I'm really thinking it's pretty awesome that they stopped a terrorist with a fucking narwhal tusk today. So sorry I'm watching the news while I'm filming this. But yeah, it's pretty funny. No, fuck these people that like sit there and just want to take other people out. I mean, if you're gonna kill yourself, fucking just kill yourself, you know? Fucking fuck with other people, and it's just messed up. Anyway, alright, there we go. Got that one on there. Now number 4. Go over here.
Everyone's gonna go through your old tweets. Yeah. Like I bet there were some people at that bridge who wanted to help, but first they had to delete their old tweets. They're like, hold on, I gotta delete some stuff first. Hold on. Oh, that was so funny. I'll save it. Alright, and speaking of London, today President Trump is embarking to Great Britain to represent the United States at the 2019 NATO summit. And something tells me the president is in a good mood because he probably heard about this.
A new poll shows the majority of Republicans think President Donald Trump is a better president than Abraham Lincoln. The Economist YouGov poll shows just 47% of Republicans think Abraham Lincoln is a better president, with 53% thinking the sitting president. In fact, Republicans favor President Trump over every Republican president in the poll except for Ronald Reagan.
Damn, Republicans like Trump more than Lincoln. And knowing some Republicans, that makes sense. You know, they're like, Lincoln was a great president, except for one thing he did. Now, you know what I'm talking about. I'm talking about the chin strap beard. Come on, man. I prefer a clean shaven man. Although, you know, the news reports look like it's a good thing, but if 53% of Republicans prefer Trump to Lincoln, it also means that 47% of Republicans are like, hey, man, even a dead guy would do better than this. That's what that means. And you might think it's weird to compare Trump to Lincoln in the first place, but they both done great things. Abraham Lincoln freed the state, and Trump freed from Area 51.
Number 5.
Headlines. Let's move on. Top story. The presidential race. There are major developments going on.
That one's gonna be down here.
I'm not just talking about Cory Booker changing his name to Corrupt Booker. So, let's catch up on the battle for the Democratic nomination of our ongoing segment, World War D. There are now just 336 days until the 2020 presidential election. And although the Democrats still don't know who their contender will be, they do know who their contender won't be. Joe Sestak and Steve Bullock have announced that they're both dropping out.
Alright.
I know, this is huge. Yeah.
6. That one goes there. Go down here. Now, you gotta be very careful to keep these in order, because if you happen to get them out of order, you can kiss your BMS goodbye. Because I'm just gonna say I've tried 1 or 2 in my time, and it's always less than ideal, especially if it's like a 60-volt Bluetooth one or something that's a little more pricey.
Former New York mayor and billionaire Michael Bloomberg made it official over the weekend. He has thrown his hat into the 2020 race.
After months of speculation, the former New York mayor announcing his candidacy in a video Sunday, a part of a $35 million media blitz.
He launched his campaign with the single largest political advertising buy in U.S. history, spending more than $30 million on ads that touted his record as mayor of New York.
Wow. Michael Bloomberg has already bought more TV ads in 1 week than anyone in history. I guess those are the perks of being a billionaire, but he's got to be careful. Because TV ads are a great way for getting noticed. But too many TV ads can turn people against you. Yeah. Like the first time I saw that Cars for Kids ad, I thought it was cute.
Alright.
Now, my last mission is to destroy that.
About halfway there. Okay, so the next one is this one here.
I mean, don't get me wrong. It's a good idea. Kids should be given cars, but it's on TV all the time. And that's what could happen with Bloomberg. Because 30 million. Like if you're in one of the states that he's flooding with the ads, that's all you're going to see on TV. Hi, I'm Michael Bloomberg. Change the channel. It's still me, Michael Bloomberg. Change the channel. There's something in you that this month at Subway.
It's me, Michael Bloomberg.
So, while Bloomberg is making news for how much he's spending, Buttigieg, mayor of South Bend, Indiana, and kid who always asks for more homework, is getting attention for what he's saying in his ads.
Pete Buttigieg has a new kind of position or an ad this weekend that was airing in Iowa about education. Listen.
I believe we should move to make college affordable for everyone. There's some voices saying, well, that doesn't count unless you go even further, unless it's free even for the kids and millionaires. But I only want to make promises that we can keep.
Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez, a Bernie Sanders supporter, slamming the new Iowa frontrunner, tweeting, "This is a GOP talking point used to dismantle public systems, and it's sad to see a deaf candidate adopted."
Ooh, Pete, you in trouble. This is an interesting one. Pete Buttigieg says that he supports
Okay.
public policy.